our next question, it comes to us from a country music superstar. This is Naomi Judd. Yeah. And we are honored. Are you there?
I am here, and right now I'm out on the road with Winona, and I would love for you characters to give me some advice on how to keep up my energy.
I want you to focus on 4 key things.
Okay.
Number 1, rest. And this is tough on the road, but if you can have at least, to the extent possible, a consistent bedtime and wake time, even if you have to shift it a little bit later after nights of a concert, it will have a huge influence. But the other key thing, the other key points, staying hydrated and staying active, even though you're on the road, that will help you have more energy, but also help you sleep better. But the other key that I want to focus on, since we have you on the phone, are foods that you need to really base your eating plan around, as well as anyone out there who's extremely busy. Because one of the number 1 things, energy boosting foods, is switching out all the refined grains for whole grains, because whole grains, what they do is they keep your blood sugar levels at a steady state, so you don't get that big crash and burn cycle that so many of us get. We get a little bit tired, we eat too much just pure sugar. So that's one big thing. Naomi, the other one that nuts are fabulous. If you have a nut allergy, no.
Yeah,
but nuts are filled with good proteins, good heart-healthy fats, but they also have magnesium. And people who are low on magnesium tend to have a drain in their energy levels. So that's a great snack for you, say, midway through a concert, if you're getting a little bit of a lull. Nuts are a great way to go. And then I can't emphasize...
Wait, are you telling me in the middle of a stinking concert to say, wait, everybody, I have to eat some Spanish peanuts?
Sure, why not?
Let me ask you this, Naomi.
You get away with it.
And I hate to say this, but you used to be a nurse. When I'm in the middle of an ER shift, there are times, because I'm assuming you guys either have a costume change or at least some...
Just a drum solo.
A drum, like where you can go off stage, drink some water.
You don't know me very well. I'm known for my costume changes.